be honest for a second. Staring at lines of code, fixing broken lines, building websites, and dealing with client revisions for hours? It drains you. Work and endless development loops make you completely tired. But as professionals, we often forget the most important rule of productivity. You have to take out some time to unplug. And for me, nothing clears the mind like going absolute old school. If you grew up in the late 90s or early 2000s, this game was the absolute king of PC gaming zones and school breaks. The arcade physics, the unforgettable soundtrack, the split-screen memories. But seeing this run natively on a mobile device in 2026, it's a completely different kind of satisfaction. It's the ultimate quick escape when your brain is fried from a heavy development session. Okay, my driving skills might be a bit rusty compared to my web building skills, but look at how optimized this is. No lags, no modern microtransactions, just pure, unfiltered arcade nostalgia right in the palm of your hand. It just proves that you don't need a heavy gaming rig to refresh your mind during an office break. So how exactly are we running a 90s Windows/DOS masterpiece on a modern Android architecture? And how does this tie into the broader picture of keeping your developer mindset sharp? Let's dive straight into the tech behind it, how you can set it up. Alright, so you want this legendary racer on your phone right now? Don't worry, we are skipping the heavy, complicated technical setups. You only need two simple tools from the Play Store. EPSX Emulator. This is the engine that's going to bring our classic PlayStation files to life. Second, you'll need Zarchiver, which is just a super clean file manager to handle our game files. To make it incredibly easy for you, I've dropped the direct Play Store links for both right down in the description below. Next up, let's get the game itself. Open up your mobile browser and search for Need for Speed 2 Special Edition ISO Download. Now, you'll see a few results, but this specific website right here is the one I use. It's completely alright, and I trust its files. I've linked this exact safe page in the description as well, so you don't get lost. Just hit that big download button and your game file will start downloading straight to your device. Once that finishes downloading, open up the EPSX emulator you installed earlier. Tap on Run Game. See this little plus icon right up here in the corner? Give that a click to add a new game. Now, just locate the file you just downloaded. Usually sitting right in your Downloads folder, select it, and boom! It will instantly create a clean little thumbnail right here on your screen just like this. And honestly, that is literally it. You are ready to roll. A perfect classic escape from the daily grind of development and tech stress running beautifully right in your pocket. Go smash that subscribe button if this brought back some epic memories. Drop a comment if you're going to try it out. And as the saying goes, see you later, alligator. Let's lean back, turn up the volume, and enjoy the full gameplay. Let's ride!